Lämpchen friends.
Schalömchen.
This is one of our bikes. It's Aventura. It's a Bosch motor.
Aventura with a Bosch engine in the middle, my friends. Very nice.
25 kilometers per hour. For
Not
us,
nice.
for us, it's too slow. So we have a very nice tool to get this bike faster, and this is very easy, very easy. You
Yeah.
need just a phone or a laptop and a cable. More is very easy. I'll show you.
So tell me what I have to do. I just go to the website onedragon.de. Is that right?
This is right.
Okay. And
You
what
need a key.
I have to do next? I need
Yeah,
a key.
You need a key. In the description down below, you find a link. You can buy a key and one moment. Muss doch klappen. Das ging doch gerade.
So I have to buy a key, and then I can make my Bosch e-bike faster from generation 1 to 4.
That's right.
Okay.
You have here.
But how I connect this? Can you explain me?
Here.
If I have a laptop, okay, I have a laptop and I have a cable. So I have to put in the cable into my laptop, and then what I have to do next?
The Bosch motor bikes have a unique dashboard here with a USB-C or micro USB,
Okay.
and you put your cable here and into your phone or a laptop, and you just need to put your key here and click on connect.
Okay, so I have to purchase a key. Then I get the key instant from the link in the description box.
This is our partner shop, Mikrofahrzeuge in Lindau, and you get the key in a few minutes, and you
Okay.
can get your bike very faster.
That's very nice. I can just put the key on the website, connect the cable,
Yes,
and click on go.
connect.
Click on connect.
The browser will find your bike, and then you can click on boost,
Go. Also.
and boost, and you can go to make this bike slower again, so you can drive fast.
Okay, I can change it. I can drive 45 kilometers per hour today and 25 kilometers per hour tomorrow
Yeah,
if I
that's
want
right.
to do.
If you
Okay.
have a private land, you can put this on your bike and you drive 50 kilometers per hour, and next day you drive on the street and you put it slower, 25
Okay,
kilometers.
okay.
and-
But please be careful if you drive so fast with this e-bike. And I don't need to change anything. No hardware.
No hardware.
No hardware. Okay.
It's only software, and this is very easy for all bikes, Bosch bikes, from the generation 1 to 4, and it's very easy.
Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, thank you for the tips.
No
I
problem.
go home. Tschüss.
Cheers.